everyday tools rely on the same mathematical foundations found in nuclear power plants, refineries, and aircraft engines. Inside a pressure cooker, sealing the lid prevents steam from escaping, causing the internal pressure to rise. This follows the Clausius-Clapeyron equation. At 1 bar above atmospheric pressure, water refuses to boil until it reaches 121 degrees Celsius. Cooking chemistry doubles in speed for every 10-degree rise in temperature. At 121 degrees, dal cooks in 15 minutes instead of 45. Containing this reaction requires managing 380 kilograms of upward force on the lid. Every minute of the boil, the metal resists the equivalent weight of 4 grown men pushing upward. That iconic whistle is a precision dead-weight pressure relief valve. Its mass is calibrated to lift only when the steam force exceeds its exact weight, releasing the excess pressure. This pot is an over-engineered pressure vessel designed to ASME Section 8, the same engineering code used for vessels in a nuclear refinery. The red LPG cylinder contains propane and butane squeezed into a liquid state under 7 to 8 bar of pressure. When this liquid vaporizes into gas, it expands 250 times in volume. This phase change allows a single cylinder to hold enough fuel for a month of cooking. A regulator is a pressure-reducing valve, dropping tank pressure from 7 bar to 30 millibars at the burner, a reduction of over 200 times. On days of heavy use, the metal cylinder often turns cold or develops a layer of frost. This is the latent heat of vaporization. The liquid requires energy to turn into gas, so it pulls warmth directly out of the metal walls. A refrigerator works against the second law of thermodynamics, pushing heat from a cold interior into a warmer room. It runs a vapor compression cycle. A compressor squeezes refrigerant, condenser coils reject heat, an expansion valve cools the liquid, and the evaporator absorbs heat. This is the coefficient of performance. 1 unit of electricity used moves between 2 and 4 units of heat. Your fridge is a heat pump, using mechanical work to constantly battle natural thermal physics. The stove burner is a combustion reactor. It mixes LPG with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and heat, reaching 2,000 degrees. The color of the flame serves as a diagnostic readout of the combustion efficiency. A crisp blue flame signals complete combustion. A yellow or orange flame indicates glowing soot particles caused by a lack of oxygen. That yellow color is a warning. It represents wasted gas and the production of carbon monoxide. An electric kettle boils water through resistive heating, but its operation depends on a physical switch that clicks once the water reaches its boiling point. Inside is a bimetallic strip, 2 different metals bonded together. These metals expand at different rates when exposed to heat. When steam hits the strip, the unequal expansion causes the metal to bend, physically snapping the circuit open. This thermostat requires no sensors or software. It uses differential thermal expansion to regulate the system. A mixer grinder uses a universal motor spinning at 15,000 to 20,000 RPM, faster than the engine of most cars. This speed creates friction and motor losses. If the grinder exceeds its duty cycle, the heat can damage the internal windings. As a grinder ages, it becomes louder and more high-pitched. That sound indicates the mechanical wear of the internal bearings. This wear follows the L10 life metric. It is a formula used to calculate the number of hours after which 10% of a set of bearings will fail under a specific load. A screaming grinder is the physical manifestation of this bearing life curve reaching its end. This failure point is mathematically predictable well in advance. These 6 machines represent 6 branches of engineering: pressure vessel design, thermodynamics, heat transfer, combustion, thermal control, and rotating machine reliability. The equations governing the kitchen are identical to those used in industrial plants, only the scale has changed. These calculations, including allowable stress, gas laws, and bearing life, are available for public use at designcalculators.co.in. These tools allow anyone to access the math that runs the kitchen in under 30 seconds. The next time that whistle screams at 6 a.m., observe it as a pressure relief valve protecting a pressure vessel built to industrial safety codes. Your grandmother mastered these forces by feel. Now you can understand them by number.